Hey! In this video, we are going to talk about quadratics and technology, or how to use the calculator to find out quality info about a quadratic formula. Bro, if you love math as much as I do, I'll just call you guys my algebras. Alright, so what you're going to need to do to find your information about quadratic formula on the calculator, first you're going to want to enter whatever quadratic equation you have, which would be any formula where one of the x values is squared, and there's 3 different terms. Alright, so you're going to enter that in, and then you're going to find the right window so that you can see the whole parabola. Then you're going to try to find the maximum values or the minimum values depending on your parabola, and solve, which are finding the 2 zeros or the x-intercepts. Alright, so algebras, in order to figure out this stuff about quadratics, first we need a quadratic, right? So let's start with this. Here, this is negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. To start, you're going to want to put this equation into y equals. Then hit graph. So now it shows you the parabola. Now we're going to try to find the right window to fit this parabola.
As you can see, the parabola on the screen is barely visible. What you need to do in order to make it visible is change the window. So, you hit the window button. Try to find a window that will suit the graph. It was pretty small, so let's try decreasing all the values. We'll put negative 10 as the x minimum, 10 as the x maximum, negative 10 as the y minimum, and 10 as the y maximum. Now, if you hit the graph again, you can see the whole parabola more clearly on your calculator screen.
Yeah, great job.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to teach you guys how to find the vertex and the maximum and minimum value. So, in this graph, as you can see, since the vertex is at the top, we're going to try to find a maximum value. What you're going to need to do is hit second, then the trace button, and look for the number that says maximum beside it, which is number 4. So click on number 4. Now the calculator is prompting you to find the left bound, which means that it's just to the left of the vertex. So move the pointer to the vertex. Then you're going to want to click the left button a couple times to find the left bound. Then click enter. Now, as you can see, now it's prompting you to find the right bound. So do the same thing, but to the right a little bit, and click enter. Now it shows you that where the vertex is, y equals 9. Now, and then to find the actual vertex from that is you plug in 9 for the y value on your actual equation and solve it from there. Alright, now we're going to show you how to solve using the calculator.
How to solve by graphing. This is almost the same as finding the maximum or the minimum. First, you hit the second trace, but this time, instead of 4 or 5, you're going to hit number 2, which finds the zeros. Pick which 0 you want to find. Then go to the left, hit the enter button, and then go to the right. The calculator will show you the 0. The zeros for this example are going to be negative 1, and 5. Yeah. Then do this After you've done both of your x's, you
Those
have
are
now solved your quadratic equation.
Woo!
Thank you for watching, and we hope this helped you out for future math equations.
And for the test tomorrow, am I right?